In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collection in Google Photos. First, let's clarify what a collection is in Google Photos. You cannot manually create a top-level collection. Instead, collections are automatically managed sections that organize your albums, favorites, people and pets, places, documents, and other items. This means understanding collections helps you effectively navigate and manage your media. It keeps your photos and albums organized, making it easier to find what you're looking for later. To begin adding content to collections, you will need to create an album or a moment. Let's start with creating a moment using the mobile app, whether you're on iPhone, iPad, or Android. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. You'll see the familiar interface with all your photos. It's important to ensure you're using a supported version of the app. Once it's open, you are ready to start organizing your memories. Now, tap on Collections at the bottom of your screen. This section is where you'll find moments, albums, and other organized media. After tapping Collections, look for the Moments option. Here, you will see existing moments if you have any. To create a new one, tap on Moments. This action leads you to the right place to start adding your favorite photos. Next, tap on the button that says Plus Create New. This button is often located at the top right corner of the screen. By tapping this, you initiate the process of selecting photos for your moment. Selecting the right photos is essential. It allows you to capture the essence of your experiences in one organized space. Once you tap Create New, you'll see your photo library. Now select the photos you want to include in your moment. You can choose multiple photos by tapping on each one. This step is important because it allows you to curate a collection of images that tell a story or represent a specific event. After selecting, take a moment to review your choices. After you have selected your photos, it's time to add a title to your moment. This title will help you recognize what the moment represents later on. A clear title makes your collections easier to navigate and enjoy. Once you have entered your title, tap Done. This action finalizes your moment creation. You will see a confirmation that your moment has been created successfully. Now, let's move on to creating a collection using the web version of Google Photos. Open Google Photos in your web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, you will see your photos displayed. The web interface is intuitive, allowing for easy navigation. Select the photos you want to add to your new album. You can do this by clicking on each photo. This action helps you determine which images you want to group together. A well-curated album can save you time later when searching for specific memories. Next, click on the plus Add To button located at the top right of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various options. From there, choose Album. This step directs you to create a new album, which is essential for organizing your photos within collections effectively. Now, you will be prompted to create a new album and enter a name for it. This is your chance to be creative and descriptive. Choose a name that reflects the content of the album. Once you have entered a name, click Done. This will save your new album and add it to your collections. The new album will now appear in the collection section across your devices. This means you can access and enjoy your organized memories from anywhere. Your efforts in creating these albums will pay off when you can quickly find and relive your favorite moments.